Welcome dear students, this is Shahid Shahzad Bajwa and today we are going to discuss how to identify difference between DDR1, DDR2, DDR3 and DDR4 RAMs. We are going to discuss how we can identify DDR1, DDR2, DDR3 and DDR4 RAMs. These are mostly used in the market. However, DDR1 and DDR2 are hard to find nowadays. But if you find any, here is how you can identify it. I have taken this all data from given source. You may also refer this data. So, distance of notch. One most important fact is distance between notch. We can identify which type of RAM is. For example, all of them have a cut out mark on the base of the RAM. When you will see a RAM, there is a cut mark and that is called notch. A notch of DDR1 and DDR2 RAM are quite similar, but if you take a closer look, you will find DDR1 notch right underneath the IC, which is called integrated chip, and DDR2 notch is a bit far from the IC. So that is one identification. Second, notch of DDR3 is different from the other two. Means from DDR1 and DDR2, the notch of DDR3 is different. Notch of DDR4 is almost in the middle and right underneath the IC. How? Let's see. This is a clear diagram for DDR1, DDR2, DDR3 and DDR4. You will see there is a notch between the RAM and you can scale the direction of notch or placement of notch and you can easily remember what is the exact location of notch on DDR1, 2 or 3, 4. So this is another thing. Then what is IC? DDR3 RAM has small and square type of IC. DDR2 RAM IC is bigger than DDR3 but it is smaller than DDR1. So you can remember all these things. IC in DDR1 touches both the top and bottom of the RAM. The IC in DDR2 RAM is in the center. DDR4 RAM also has small and square type IC like DDR3 but in 2 rows. So all these difference you can remember, but most important is how you remember all this. Number of pins. Now we can also remember the number of pins on each DDR RAM. A DDR1 RAM contains 148 pins, DDR2 RAM contains 240 pins, DDR3 RAM contains 240 and DDR4 RAM contains 288 pins. Voltage of RAM. This is the basic how RAM consume the electricity, how much voltage they need. The voltage of RAM cannot be used to physically identify any RAM, but it can be very helpful when you place a RAM in the motherboard slot because the voltage is written on the RAM slot of the motherboard. So that is another way of identification. So in below I have given the voltage rate of each DDR RAM 1, 2, 3, 4, 2.5, 1.8, 1.5 and 1.2 watt. So this is another way to identify the RAM. Now how we can identify the RAM on Windows? That is an important thing. When you click on your performance tab, select memory option from the left column and look at the very top of right. It will show how much RAM you have and on what type of RAM you are using. So computer can also give you complete information. You can see there is a on most right side CPU, then memory, disk, internet, Wi-Fi, etc. And when you click on memory option shows you the complete information. You can see it's 80 GB DDR 8 GB DDR3 RAM is showing in this identifier. So another example, DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, written on the title, you can see the exact location of notch. It is almost similar DDR1 and DDR2, but DDR3 has a different location of node, and DDR also 4 has also same as DDR1. So almost you can see they have very similar direction. So this is another example for you. DDR, SDRAM, RAM standards, their internal rates and bus clock, fetch, then data rate, transfer rate, voltage, everything I have given you. You can prepare very good your notes or answer if someone asks. So there, that was the end of my topic.